Chapter 8: Kwanzaa, Embracing Unity and Cultural Heritage. One sunny afternoon, Kemi received an invitation from her neighbor, Mr. Johnson, to join his family in celebrating Kwanzaa. Intrigued by the opportunity to learn about another cultural holiday, Kemi accepted the invitation with excitement and curiosity. As she entered Mr. Johnson's home, she was enveloped by the vibrant colors and decorations that adorned every corner. The scent of delicious food filled the air, and the sound of laughter and joyful conversations created a warm and inviting atmosphere. Mr. Johnson's family welcomed Kemi with open arms, introducing her to the traditions and principles of Kwanzaa. They explained that Kwanzaa is a holiday celebrated by African Americans, focusing on unity, cultural heritage, and community. Kemi was introduced to the 7 principles of Kwanzaa, known as the Nguzo Saba. Each principle represented a value that was cherished and celebrated throughout the week-long holiday. The principles included Umoja, Kujikugulia, Ujima, Ujima, Nia, Kumba, and Imani. Kemi and the Johnson family gathered around the kinara, a special candle holder with 7 candles, each representing one of the principles. They lit the candles one by one, discussing the significance of each principle and how it applied to their lives. In the spirit of Kwanzaa, storytelling played a central role. Mr. Johnson, a natural storyteller, captivated Kemi with tales of African history, traditions, and the importance of passing down knowledge from one generation to another. The stories brought to life the struggles, triumphs, and resilience of African people, fostering a deeper understanding and appreciation for their cultural heritage. Kemi was eager to participate in the activities of the day. She engaged in crafting sessions, creating beautiful nkika and kikumcha umoja, which symbolized the principles of unity and togetherness. Through the process, Kemi recognized the importance of individual creativity in contributing to the collective community. The celebration continued with a communal feast, known as the Karamu. The table was filled with a mouth-watering array of traditional African American dishes, representing the principles of cooperative economics and collective work. Kemi savored the flavors of dishes such as jollof rice, collard greens, black-eyed peas, and cornbread, enjoying the cultural fusion of flavors and the stories behind each dish. Throughout the evening, Kemi engaged in lively discussions with the Johnson family and their friends, sharing experiences and gaining insights into the values of Kwanzaa. She understood that the holiday emphasized the importance of community, supporting one another, and working collectively towards a better future. As the evening drew to a close, Kemi bid farewell to the Johnson family, feeling a profound sense of gratitude for the opportunity to celebrate Kwanzaa with them. She carried with her the teachings of unity, self-determination, and collective responsibility. Walking back to her home, Kemi reflected on the power of cultural celebrations to connect people, foster understanding, and preserve the rich heritage of different communities. She knew that by embracing and learning from each tradition, she could play a vital role in creating a more inclusive and harmonious world. With renewed enthusiasm, Kemi looked forward to the next chapter of her Nigerian journey, where she would explore the natural wonders and landscapes that dotted the country, and the significance they held in the lives of its people.